A blender is one of the single most useful appliances you can get for your kitchen, and there are a range of different things you can do with one that provide quick and easy meals, many of which are also very healthy. Similarly, a food processor is another small kitchen appliance that can make many of the same types of dishes if you use the blending attachments, and also has a more versatile range of other functions. If you are keen on improving your health and fitness, then either appliance will help you to do exactly that by providing lots of easy ways to enjoy more fruits and vegetables, thereby increasing your intake of nutritious vitamins. Of course, everyone knows that they can use a blender or food processor to make simple things like soup or smoothie, either of which have amazing health benefits. However, what they may be less aware of is the vast range of other things they can make with them, and so might not be getting the most out of their kitchen appliances, and that's what we'll be looking at here. Stock. Did you know, for example, that you could make your own stock? Here you simply put your leftover vegetable peel and bits of meat into a blender with lots of water and allow it to do its work. This is far quicker than the slow boiling technique usually used to make stock. This is a great way to avoid wasting your food and to add flavor to your meals, which will be much stronger than bought stock. Grow your own. This same process can also be used to make organic fertilizer for plants, which is essentially just broken down organic material. Here you can be less discriminatory too, as you won't have to actually taste what goes into your concoction. Anything then from vegetable peel to eggshells can go into your blender or food processor and then be sprinkled on your compost for the plants. You can then use this to grow your own organic vegetables, which is one of the healthiest and most sustainable foods you can possibly eat. Protein shake. You can also try more complicated things. For example, if you currently spend a lot of money on protein shake, then why not use a blender to whip up your own for half the price and start building muscle? Alternatively, why not make your own soufflé or mousse for an exciting pudding that doesn't involve too much work or time to create? This is only a small sample of what can be done with these kitchen appliances, so don't limit yourself to soups and smoothies. Furthermore, if you don't already own a blender or food processor, then be sure to invest in one as soon as possible.